is one of the first videos we're filming here with the Quadski XL, and we're going to tell you about how to work on it. One of the most basic things is how to do repairs to the suspension or tires or brakes. The wheel bearings on these seem to fail a lot, especially if you're in saltwater environment. So you need to lift it up in the air, and we're going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to need to do is, you can use other means, but this hull is fragile and fiberglass, and this Quadski weighs 1,330 pounds dry. So that's not even including the fluids, and it requires a lot of fluids because, you got radiators up here, oil reservoir up here, and then engine back there. The whole exhaust is water cooled. So when you're in the water, it stays cool and doesn't damage anything. So it's a lot of weight. The way that I do it here, I have a lift, and we go ahead and use these very large straps that are capable of at least 1,000 pounds on each of these, just to be safe. And then we also use these tow straps as well to do the same thing. They have to be rated very high. These are rated at 3,333 pounds each. So obviously we're supporting 1,300 pounds on 4 of them. But the way I do it is I loop it through this area, so it has no chance of sliding. Now you got to make sure that your locks are working really well and that this is not going to cave in. And then also you want to make sure that the band is flat across the bottom where you're lifting. As you can see there, lifting here and here, trying to make sure that we're very careful that we're supporting this and not going to slide off into that area or like that. And then you just, lift it up. So pretty easy. Now you got it up in the air. So pretty easy.